Hello, I'm George Joseph, President and CEO of Dade County Federal Credit Union. Looking to buy a house? Today we're talking about mortgages.
What is the difference between a mortgage interest rate and an APR?
The interest rate is the cost you pay each year to borrow the money. However, initially when a loan is approved or when a loan is applied for, the additional costs associated with the loan, things like closing costs and appraisals, are included in this APR, which is typically higher than the interest rate quoted to you.
What exactly is a HELOC?
A HELOC is the pronunciation of an acronym HELOC, which basically stands for Home Equity Line of Credit. This is basically an additional loan that sits on top of your first mortgage, where those funds can be used to repair your home or for additional expenses that you may incur. And in most cases, although you should seek the advice of a tax accountant, in most cases, it's tax deductible.
What are some of the reasons for taking out a home equity line of credit?
There are many reasons for using a home equity line of credit. For instance, you may choose to purchase a car with the funds because the rate paid on a home equity line of credit is a lot less than on a car loan, or you may want to use the funds to pay for college for a child. Again, the rate on a home equity line of credit is a lot lower than most other types of loans out there.
Should I purchase a home with an adjustable rate?
The answer to that question is yes and no. If you're going to be in the home for a short period of time, you probably are better off with an adjustable rate mortgage. However, if you're going to be in this home for a long period of time, you probably are better off going with a fixed rate mortgage.
For more information on Dade County Federal Credit Union, visit Dcfcu.org. And remember, you can watch another Get Financially Fit segment next Thursday on 6 in the Mix.
Remember, with Dade County Federal Credit Union, you can do that!
Dade County Federal Credit Union.
Get Financially Fit is sponsored by Dade County Federal Credit Union.